everyone! Today we will do counting activity. Before we start, how about we count 1 until 10? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Yay. Okay. Are you ready? Let me start our activity today. So, today we will make a DIY counting pizza. Before we start, let me introduce you with the material we're going to use to carry out this activity. We need cardboard. I'm using 2 cardboard. And we need marker, scissor, glue, and red pepper. We start. First, you need to draw a circle on both of cardboard surface. Second, divide both of the cardboard into 8 parts. Third, take the red pepper, draw a round circle and cut the circle into 36 pieces small circle. Fourth, cut one of the cardboard into 8 sections. Fifth, paste a small circle on each slice of pizza. Write number 1 until 8 on another one cardboard surface. Okay, now I want Aryan to create the pizza counting. Now, start with this. 1 slice of pizza. Now, I want Aryan to count how many pepperoni here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Once again, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
5. 1.
Where is number 5? Where is number 5?
5.
Good job. Next, count how many pepperoni here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where is number 4?
4.
Good job. Okay, next, count how many pepperoni here. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
once again, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.
7. Where is number 7?
7.
Where is number 7? Good job. Next,
6.
how many pepperoni?
1, 2.
Yes, where is number 2? Good job. Now, this one. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
3.
Good job. Next.
Just 6.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, pass.
Once again.
10.
Once again.
One.
Count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, pass. 6.
6.
7.
6. Where is number 6?
6.
Good job. Next.
Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Where is
8.
8? Good job. Last.
Nice. 1.
1. Where's number 1?
Wow, 1.
Good job. Yay!
Pizza.
You get to try. I'll see you again tomorrow. And stay at home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.